Alright, hello everyone, welcome back. Well, in this video, I got a machine that I've always wanted, and I kind of gave up looking for it for a while. Honestly, at one point I never thought I would find it, but my longtime friend here on YouTube, Tom, or Kirby Vacuum Collector and Fixer, as his channel is, I'll have a link down below so you can go subscribe to him. He managed to find this one for me on Facebook Marketplace, so he got it for me and sent it here, so that was really nice. Thank you, Tom. I really appreciate it. So basically, this is the original Bissell PowerForce 3522. So this is originally when they came out, so it has the headlight, bag change indicator, and of course the 12 amp motor. So I'll just go ahead and show you the rating sticker. And it is a little scratched up in here, but that is whatever. So here's the rating sticker. It is model 3522. Serial number is 0214107328. So this machine was made on the 141st day of 2002. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 12 amps. So this is when they were still made in Korea. So that's good. And actually 2002 is when these PowerForces originally came out. So that's really good. Very happy to have this machine. So basically, when I first got it, I completely refurbished it. As you can see, I took it down to absolutely nothing, washed all the parts, polished it, and as you can see here, I even put Clean Fairy HEPA bag in there. So yeah, this machine is practically as good as new. And I even put a brand new HEPA filter, as you can see. And unfortunately, it is a little dusty because of the static, because it's winter time here, unfortunately. So yeah, but I'm definitely very happy to have this machine, like I said before. So I'll just show you the underneath. Here's the brush roller, which I was going to replace this actually, but the bearings are still good, and the bristles, as you can see, are almost like new, so I have to wonder if this was replaced at one point. Granted, it does have some hair on it at the moment because I did use it, try it out, so it does have a little bit of hair, but no big deal. And the height adjuster wheels are still good, which usually these are one of the first things to go on these, but this one's still good. And I've never seen this before on these PowerForces, but this base plate here is actually two pieces, which is kind of weird. So you have the top part here, and then this part here comes off, which I've never seen that before on these. I'm not sure how that works exactly, but there's that. And as you can see, we have a bag change indicator, which those didn't last very long. Still got the 5-level height adjustment. So yeah, sorry about that interruption, but anyway, as you can see, I have all the tools on board. So it has the original Bissell 2-in-1 tool, the extension wand, and crevice tool, as you can see. So yeah, not much else to say really. So I guess what I'll do now is unwrap the cord and plug it in. So the only issue with this machine, it's not a huge deal, but the cord, as you can see, is all twisted, and it's not particularly the best shape, but I'm not too worried about that right now. So yeah. And now this has the screw-on hose, whereas the later ones, they would have the twist and snap, which this one does not have. So you have to undo the two screws here to pull the hose out. So yeah, So I'll plug this in and we'll get started. All right, so let's see how this machine sounds. So I'll just go ahead and recline it. So there we go. I have to say one thing, it is kind of sad just how much these machines really deteriorated over the years, especially when we compare this to the 1398 that I used to have, that I have a video on. This machine feels so much better in just about every way possible. It's really sad that they really cheapened these over the years, but I'm definitely very happy to have this machine. And the only other one I would like to find eventually is the Powerglide Platinum, but the odds of that are pretty slim because those are pretty rare. But I'm definitely happy to have this machine, and I will definitely do a proper overview and demo of it eventually when I have more time, but I figured I'd just do this kind of quick for you guys. So that's all I got for today. If you enjoyed, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.